In this video, we'll show you how to automate email sequences with Outgrow, a powerful tool that can help you take your marketing efforts to the next level with minimal effort. If you've ever struggled to keep up with follow-ups or nurturing your leads, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to automate your email sequences to save time and scale your efforts. Outgrow is a user-friendly platform designed to build personalized, engaging experiences, and it's not just about creating interactive content, it's a full-service marketing tool. Automating email sequences is one of its standout features, and it's super easy to set up. Whether you're new to digital marketing or just exploring Outgrow, you'll find this guide simple to follow. First things first, let's talk about setting up your account. If you're new to Outgrow, you can start using the software completely free. Check out the first link below to grab our exclusive bonuses that will give you extended access to the platform. Once you're signed up, you'll see the Outgrow dashboard, which is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Now, to automate your email sequences, you'll want to begin by creating a flow. You can do this by using Outgrow's pre-built templates or by customizing your own from scratch. Start with building the lead capture tool like a quiz, survey, or form that will allow you to collect the right data from your audience. This is key because the more data you gather, the more personalized your email sequences can be. Once you have your lead capture ready, you'll integrate Outgrow with your email service provider. Outgrow works with platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and others. By connecting your email service, you'll be able to trigger the automation whenever a lead completes your quiz, survey, or form. Now let's get into the email sequence part. With Outgrow, creating an email sequence is incredibly straightforward. You can create conditional emails based on the responses your users give. For instance, if someone answers a specific question in a survey, you can send them a targeted email sequence that directly addresses their answers and needs. This is the magic of automation. It's smart and tailored, helping you increase your engagement without lifting a finger. Outgrow lets you set up a series of follow-up emails that can be triggered by certain actions. Want to follow up with leads who didn't complete your quiz? Or maybe send an exclusive offer to those who converted? No problem. You can set these actions within the platform, and Outgrow will automatically send out these emails based on the timeline you've set. Let's talk about the design of these emails. Outgrow allows you to create personalized, visually appealing emails without needing to know a thing about coding. The platform offers a drag-and-drop builder for easy email design, making it simple to ensure that your emails look as good as they perform. You can add dynamic content, so each email feels like it's speaking directly to the recipient, increasing the likelihood of a conversion. And of course, Outgrow's analytics feature lets you track the performance of your email sequences. You'll be able to see how many people opened your emails, clicked through, or completed the desired action. These insights will help you optimize your sequences over time, ensuring that you're getting the best results from your automation efforts. One of the best parts of automating email sequences with Outgrow is that it saves you time while nurturing your leads effectively. Instead of manually following up with every person, Outgrow ensures that your leads get the right messages at the right time, which is key for scaling any business. To wrap up, if you're looking to automate email sequences, Outgrow is one of the easiest tools to use. Whether you're sending personalized follow-up emails or offering exclusive content, Outgrow's automation capabilities will help you save time, engage with your audience, and drive more conversions. If you want to get started with Outgrow for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses, check the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your email marketing with Outgrow's powerful automation tools.